how you don't like it. One as favorite nyo talaga, gusto nyo magpa-interview. To five as in nervousness, kung pwede kong iwasan, ayoko na i-interview, pwede bang job offer lang agad, ganyan. O nine talaga yung kaba. Okay, sige. 1 to 10 na. Inumpisa ni Cristel eh. Okay, 1 to 10. 10 as ayoko. Ayoko talaga nagpapa-interview. Ayan, dinagdagan pa talaga ni Anthony. O sige, dali. Because I would like to have a good warm-up this morning. Okay? Okay, 7, 10, 9 if foreign. Okay? Huwag yun na isipin kung foreign or local. Ang target natin lagi, global. So, pwede kasing nandito ka sa Philippines, pero multinational company, may interview ka pa rin ng European or American or even fellow Filipinos. Pero ang standard global, para kahit sino na yung kaharap mo, ready ka na. Right? Okay, so since hindi nyo talaga favorite ang interview, um, I will I will give you a very good story. I have a friend in 2001. In 2001, where six digits salaries are not yet very common, are not yet very popular. I have a friend who would change jobs every, imagine this, every 2 to 3 years. Or sometimes less than a year. Sabi ko, di ba nakakasira yung ano mo? Kasi palipat-lipat ka. And one time, he was telling me a story na sabi niya, alam mo, mayroon akong in-apply ang company. Gusto ko lang kasi magpa-interview. O, di ba? Kumbaga, kung yung level 10 nyo sa ayaw nyo magpa-interview, sadista siya, di ba? Ay, hindi pala, masokista ba? Yung gustong-gusto sinasaktan yung sarili. Masokista, no? Tama? So, sabi niya, nag-apply ako ng trabaho, hindi naman ako interested. Tinanong kung magkano yung sahod na gusto ko. Sabi ko, 50,000. Aba, kinagat. So in short, after 6 months to a new company, he transferred to another company with a higher salary. And you know what he said to me? I mastered the art of interview, of being interviewed. That's why, kahit palipat-lipat ako ng company at pataas, kaya pataas ng pataas yung sahod niya. Okay, so 2,000 pa lang, nasa 50 na yung kanyang rate. So what does that mean? Interview and the art of being interviewed and expressing yourself is not just a skill that is essential wherever you are. Because if you are a business person, you'll still do discovery calls, you'll still pitch, right? Your products or your services. If you are an employee or you are seeking employment, then you want to be interviewed. If you're seeking promotion, whether in the government, right, you will still be interviewed because that's part of the job. And so, I would like to um, give you an opportunity to prepare for an interview, and this will be something that you will do as part of your daily exercise from now on. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so for demo purposes, who is ready to apply for a job? Who wants to be the case this morning? And we will do it live. Okay, we will do it live. Bakit si Cristel? Yung i-volunteer kita. Magkaibigan ba kayo ni Stella? Bakit pinagkakanulo ka ni Stella? I would like to congratulate two of you already have clients. One is project-based and Chris, who was interviewed yesterday. Is that Cristel? Yeah, she went through an interview yesterday with an Australian client. Oo nga, classmate pala kayo sa SMM. Okay? So, bahala kayo. You will regret not having this because after this, you will do it on your own. Emil, would you like to be the demo case this morning? Don't worry, it's not yet the interview. This is from preparation to interview.
Yes,
AI
ma'am.
powered.
Try.
Okay, sige, let's try this, okay? So kindly send me forward kindly send me forward your resume.
Oh,
Actually, okay ba internet mo? We can do share screen. Pero sige, let's do this fast.
Yes, my wait,
Okay,
this is my problem.
send me
I'm a
your
little slow.
resume.
I'm a little slow with my resume is in the
Sige, download mo na lang. Or kung nasa Google
around.
Drive, isend mo lang sa akin. No problem.
It's in the my toolkit that I sent you the last page. This
That
is
will
my
not work. Dapat yung
problem.
PDF version niya.
Hi, okay. Sige,
PDF, PDF. Yep.
I'll try to send from here. Any resume, not the one that I did.
Your latest. Okay,
Oh,
so while I'm doing the demo, why don't you go ahead and do it with me? Okay?
ma'am, how about we share screen? My internet is okay
Your
because I
internet
don't know
is
how to
okay? O
share.
sige.
Yes, yes.
Um, sige, ikaw na.
Because I might be sharing there. Maybe I can copy it from here. Oh, there. I sent it. Okay, fine. Ito po kasi talaga, I need to work harder in my tech. Yan.
Okay, sige. Okay lang yan. Um,
Well, mas na-stress ako dun sa pag-send ng resume.
ano, no, no?
I feel like I'm stressed just by sending my resume. It's
Okay,
okay.
so welcome to AI-powered job search and preparation for interview. So it's not enough that you prepared well and an optimized resume. It's not enough that you have already sent out your resume. As we have agreed, opportunity comes to those who prepare. Okay? So how do you use your AI? Let's what's this? Let's use for now Chat GPT. Although I'm jumping from Claude to Chat GPT, believe it or not, while I'm talking to you, I am preparing a proposal with Claude for our American client. How is that possible? Because Claude is thinking for me. Okay? So I would like you to go with me with this exercise and demo because the product of this will help you prepare for the interview. But I will go through the process, the nitty-gritty process, so that in every, okay, take note, in every job application, this is what you will do from now on, okay? So I will go to my projects. Which is the okay, no, I will go to my GPT. Sana pala hindi ko in-off si Claude, no? Okay, so since my GPT is programmed as a career and business consultant, okay, so I will be chatting with him. Ay, bakit nag-error siya? Yan. Okay, so right now, um, for uh, trainee Emilus. Okay? Balanggoy. So, let's say this is way, way over before you apply. Okay? So, let's first review her. Um, first, let's review her resume. Check top niche and target clients. Okay, so basically, that's just what we'll do. Okay, so I will upload your resume here. I'll make the view bigger. Okay, so you can read. Okay, so here is my thinking partner, and this is ChatGPT now. So based on Emily Luz Balangoy's resume, your strongest market confirmed are remote healthcare support for clinic providers. So you are not a generalist, sweetheart. Okay, your edge, you have an EMR, EHR exposure. I don't even know what that is. You know his scheduling, insurance verification is strong, strong, strong. Okay, so your top 3 niche, yan din ba nakita mo dun sa nung nag-research ka? Okay, so medical scribe,
Yes,
clinical documentation assistant. In-applyan mo na ba yung pinadala ko?
yes, I already sent
All
my
right.
resume.
May reply? Wala
Waiting
pa.
for email. Not yet.
Sige lang. Okay, so US, Canada, Australia, or UK outpatient clinics. Um, okay. And then this fits you because you have already 30 encounters, 30 patient encounters per shift. Okay, wow, those are strong. Okay, so medical virtual assistant for private clinic, and then medical records verification insurance assistant. That itself, those are wide range. Those are a lot of positionings, and this can be your brand anthem. You can add this as in your LinkedIn profile. And don't worry if you don't have this. I will just sell this for 500. I'll send you my GCash. Just kidding. Everyone will have access to this after. Okay, I'll share. Okay. So overall recommendation, suggested client, target client, and then you already have your, oh wow. Is that what's in your LinkedIn?
I did not update my LinkedIn yet.
Okay, so this one I'll sell to you for sure. Just kidding. Okay, so meron na siyang outreach message, but I will not use that for now. So with this, you will now ask ChatGPT to sweep through or deep search. You want the last 24 hours. Remember, pabilisan dito. You are in a remote competitive environment competing with all virtual assistants and VA wannabes all over the world, not only in the Philippines. So your advantage is you want to sweep through the last 24 hours all job posts, okay, that she can apply to online. You're looking for a remote, part-time or full-time?
Fine.
What's your preference? Australia, day shift?
Um, the night shift because I
Okay,
have
so
kids.
Australia, and is it okay? It's okay? Okay, let's
No,
go.
Miss B. I think I
Okay, is that okay?
yes.
3?
Yes.
Okay,
You.
deep search the last 24 hours, all job posts that she can apply to online. She's looking for a full-time remote job. Preference is Australia, Europe, and US. She has intermediate skills. Okay, so after that, okay, so AI will do its job. It will sweep you all the job posts the last 24 hours posted in the internet. Okay, Claude will be more powerful and Gemini here because it will not just sweep through all the job postings, but also Google and at the same time, even the social media. I think Claude can go that far. Okay, so It's already sweeping for you while you sip your coffee, while you kiss your kids, while you talk to your pet. Your AI is working for you. This is just chat level, okay? It's not even connected. It's not even on artifacts or projects. So while it's working, I hope you're also following through. You do the same.
Actually, this resume is not the one ask us to optimize through the task. So my mistake in this resume was that the terminologies that I use are very what do you masyado siyang ano hindi siya hindi siya specific. So uh the one that the LinkedIn optimizer uh, restructured my resume into more specific terminologies and the ones that's really companies are looking for. So it's very nice to have that LinkedIn
Okay, so don't worry.
optimizer.
We'll optimize your resume based on one of the job posts that you will apply to.
Wow.
Okay? So that's how you tailor fit now. Kasi dati parang nakakatamad, di ba? Na parang ang dami ko na ang ginagawa, mag-a-apply na nga lang ako, magko-customize pa ako ng resume. But because you are now fast in working um with your um with your AI, and now you know how to work with templates in Canva, so it's easy to just navigate. So just make sure that you save um all the versions, okay? So are you ready? So now these are all the job posts the last 24 hours. You can find them in LinkedIn, LinkedIn. Okay? So now, let's choose one. So ang maganda dito sa LinkedIn, easy apply. So, pag natanggap ka dito, may cut ako, joke lang. Okay, what do you want to prioritize? Oh, eto pa, yung advantage mo. The last 4 hours pa to. 4 hours ago. So, that's what you want to look for. Yung pinakamabilis kang ikaw, ang goal mo nga is nasa top 20 ka, okay? So, let's go for this. Okay? So, isi-send ko na sa'yo at isi-send ko na rin sa inyong lahat. Okay? So will you go immediately? No longer as submitting. Sorry. That was just 4 hours ago. So you'll see that. That was just 4 hours ago. So ganun katindi yung competition. Okay? Let's put that as a parameter to link to ChatGPT next time. Make sure that all the things you post are still open. Or they're applying actively reviewing applicants. Okay? So, what you will do is, after that, okay, so hindi nyo na ako papansinin pag sinend ko na yung link. So, dito muna tayo. Okay? About the job. Okay? About the role. Key responsibilities. Requirements and ideal candidate. Okay? So, after that, you got this. Before you send your application, I would like you to ask ChatGPT now to review this job post and rate my uh, credentials. Okay? So now you have that. 7 out of 10. So somehow mataas din yung ano mo. Your goal is always you are on the 8 to 8 to 10, okay? But 7, I can say is still very promising as long as you're not 6.5, 7 and below. Pag medyo 6.5 ganon, medyo nakakakaba kasi yung ano mo is medyo hindi competitive yung mga tools. Ngayon, pag may mga nakita kayong ganito, gawa na kayo ng free account. Ganun lang 'yon. Para um, para matutunan nyo na yung mga hindi kayo familiar na ano na mga na softwares or um, what's this? Softwares or applications. Okay, so you have it now. O, di ba? Yes. Magkakaroon ka ngayon ng confidence na, aha, kaya ko yung trabaho. You will have now an um, objective review of yourself. Kasi minsan kaya kakabang ka ba, you have a lot of unknowns, right? You have a lot of unknown factors. So now, with this, at least, with this review, meron ka na konting ano na, okay, meron naman pala akong huhugutan ng confidence nito. So hindi ka lang ngayon takot sa unknown, pero confident ka din na meron kang pinaghuhugutan ng iyong lakas ng loob at kapal na mukha. Naku ha? Kasi minsan parang takot na takot ka, tapos ikaw pala yung pinakamagaling. Ganun kasi yung Pilipino, magaling tayo sa self-deprecation. Pero minsan naman, baliktad. Bilib na bilib ka sa sarili mo, tapos pagtingin mo, ngek, hindi ka pala magaling. So at least what you want is an objective review. So now you have this, okay? So kinausap ka niya, binasa mo na, okay? O, nakita mo, sabi ko sa iyo strong point mo yung hipa na yan Okay? So, yan. So, hindi man to listed, what you can do, pag may app kayo nang hindi kilala, ay, hindi ko alam yung app na yan, hindi ako pwede mag-apply. No, what you can do is, go to YouTube, watch what is it about. Pag nakita nyo, ay, pareho din yan nung ginamit ko. What you can do is actually, I'm not familiar with Splos, but actually, I'm familiar with mention the other software, and I check it out. It functions almost the same. Or, what you can do is create a free account in Clinico or Halaxy, aralin mo, and then you can say, I have basic knowledge. O, di ba? So, hindi ka na ngayon matatakot. So, those are the things that you can do now. Don't apply it yet. Okay? So you see, you apply it as a near fit or trainable candidate. So those are important keywords that you can mention during the interview. So resume, ayan na. So meron ka ng cover letter. Okay? But more than that, optimize my resume for best positioning before I apply. Yan na. So, customize na siya. It may look like a long process, pero pag na-master nyo to, this can take about 5 minutes of your time to prepare for an application and an interview. But your success rate will be higher. So now, you have your optimized resume. If you notice, hindi ka na 09. Dapat 6-3 ka na. Why? You're talking about country code now because you are reaching to another country. You're not just locally applying. Okay? So from now on, there should be a country code in front of your mobile number. Okay? So ayan na siya. Clickable. Why? You want convenience to your potential client and employer. Isang click lang nila makakapag-reply na sila. Okay? Core skills, ayan na. Okay? So, in-arrange niya na rin according to relevance. Okay, so yan na. Nakaposition ka na, right? So now, after editing your resume, what you will do now is easy apply. Okay, so eto na siya, easy apply. So, ipapadala ko na sa inyo. Okay, so, yung mga gusto mag-apply, pwede na kayong hindi Anthony. Iaano ko to. Joke. Bebenta ko sa iyo to. Free pala yung training, tapos ang daming binibenta ni Miss Pat. Okay? So, yan na. Okay? After that, it doesn't stop there kasi easy apply lang to So, pagka easy apply, ayan lang siya. Then after that, you take a screenshot. Pwede na to sa email campaign nyo later on. Okay? Naku, ako pa yata mag-i-easy apply nito. Hindi naman ako to. Pero sige, for example, next. Okay, ayan na. Dahil in-upload ko na kay LinkedIn yung resume ko and laging updated yan, then automatic pag nag-easy apply ako, nandun na yung resume ko. I don't even need to attach. Pero because you want to customize it, you can upload all the time. But make sure in-rename nyo. For example, Emmy Luz resume, medical VA. Emilus Calabias resume, graphic artist. So, nandito na siya lahat sa LinkedIn nyo and ready sa Google Drive nyo. Okay? So, after that, okay, so additional questions. Sabihin ko, syempre, no, ganyan. Minsan kasi, dito pa lang, sa susupalpalan ka na nila. So, let's say no. Pag ni-review ko yan, so, naku, nag-apply. O sige lang, hindi ko naman kailangan. Ayan, submit application. Okay, pag sinubmit ko yung application, may lalabas na you have applied, right? So you take a screenshot again of that because you will use that documentation when you'll have your email campaign. Okay, kasi you will do that now as part of our exercise every day. Okay? So far nakakasunod, sabihin niyo sa akin if I'm going too fast, I'm just excited pag nag-a-apply talaga. Di ba? So yes, we can do this. Please give me a thumbs up or a heart sign if you are able to follow. But don't worry, I will be sending this and sharing it to all of you. Okay. So after this, hindi pa dun nagtatapos. Nag-apply ka na, right? So abang-abang ka na lang ba sa email? Hindi. Sabihin mo ngayon kay ChatGPT, prepare me for interview. Give me the top 10 questions starting from introduction relevant to the role. Okay? So nakita nyo? Prepare me for interview. Give me the top 10 questions starting from introduction relevant to the role. Okay? So syempre, ayan na siya. Tapos, hindi lang doon magtatapos, okay? So what you can do is, ayan na, tell me about yourself. Why are you interested? So yan na yung mga tanong, right? So now, meron kayong 10 tanong. All you need to do now is practice not only reading, but saying the words as if galing sa'yo. Hindi mo kailangan i-memorize kasi pwede ka naman mag-AI prompter sa harap mo during the interview. Tapos, that can serve as a note, but you can copy-paste this to a Google Docs and you can have it in front of you. Control F lang yan during interview and you're able to get the answers. Okay? So now, how are you prepared? Not yet. You put it in a Google Docs. Okay? And then, okay, ayan pa, pati mga smart questions. Kasi Vincent, do you have a question for me? None so far. Nagpa-cute ka na lang. Hindi. Pati yung question for me is a test. Part of the interview yon. Inaalam nila how smart you are in asking questions. So, ayan. So, now that you have this, okay, what you can do is, you go to, again, to your ChatGPT. Dito na siya nagtatapos, okay, and you can say, hi, I would like to speak with you about, sorry. Mali. Okay. Prepare me for an interview. In this chat, there are top 10 interview questions. I would like you to prepare me for an interview with an Australian client. So use the accent, and most likely, I will be interviewed by a female Australian. Speak a little faster so that I can also get acquainted in training my ears. At the same time, I would like you to ask the questions chronologically for now because I want to just practice reading through my answers. Got it?
Got it. I'll take let's dive straight. Tell me about yourself. Why are you interested? What relevant?
Okay, one question at a time.
Oh, I see. No worries. One at a time it is. Let me know when you're ready for each next question and I'll guide you along.
Okay. So let's
All
start
right.
with question number 1.
Tell me about yourself. Take your time to read through your answer and let me know when you're ready for the next.
My name is Emiluz Balangoy. I'm a licensed registered nurse from the Philippines, and I have experience supporting healthcare providers in clinic and hospital settings. In my previous role as a doctor's assistant, I supported physicians with patient intake, chart preparation, appointment schedulings, EMR updates, insurance verification, and real-time clinical documentation. I documented around 30 patient encounters per shift, including chief complaints, medical histories, and visit details. I also recently completed training in medical virtual assistance, medical transcription, medical coding, and EMR workflows. I am now looking to transition in a full-time remote healthcare support role where I can help allied health practitioners with scheduling, patient communication, referrals, documentation, billing support, and accurate patient records management.
That was great. Now, question 2. Why are you interested in this allied health VA role?
I am interested in this role because it matches both my healthcare background and my goal of working in remote healthcare administration. I enjoy supporting providers behind the scenes so they can focus more on patient care. The responsibilities in this role, appointment scheduling, patient communication, intake forms, clinical documentation, billing follow ups, and patient records, are very close to what I have done in clinic settings. I also like that this role supports Australian allied health providers because I am eager to grow in that specific healthcare admin niche.
That's well done. Now let's move on to the next one. What relevant experience do you have for this role?
My most relevant experience is from my role as a doctor's assistant. I manage patient intake, registration, chart preparation, appointment scheduling, patient flow, EMR documentation, and insurance verification. I also supported physicians by documenting patient encounters accurately in real time. As a staff nurse, I also handled patient histories, clinical records, referrals, laboratory requests, follow-up appointments, and patient education. These experiences helped me become organized, detail-oriented, and comfortable working with sensitive patient information. Okay, AI, I would like to pause now because this is just a demo for my class. Thank you so much for your help.
Absolutely. I'm glad I could help with the practice. If you need more prep later, just let me know. Good luck with your class.
Okay, so what can you say with that exercise? Did you hear it? Did you hear it talk back to me? Okay, so now that is what you will do as part of the warm-up exercise. I can coach you, I can teach you as much as I can, but doing it with the real case scenario with the accent and all that will prepare you better, correct? So now, let's spend the morning talking to your AI, but you have to have you have to reach the top 10 interview questions before you will be able to do the exercise. How many of you are ready for your top 10 interview questions? Huwag niyo muna siyang i-memorize. The goal is now to just read through. Maybe, I will not, it's not maybe. I would ask you to open your cameras para yung mata nyo nasasanay na nakatingin sa camera. Para hindi kayo halatang nagbabasa. Pero right now, you will be able to practice reading muna. Kasi even reading, di ba? Lalo na yung hindi sa inyo yung mga words. Pero yun yung magandang sabihin. So, saan nyo huhugutin? Sa mga sinabi ni AI. Ngayon, kung masyadong technical, halimbawa si Emil kasi naturally, these are her words. Right, Emil? Because you are a medical practitioner. Then, she just needs to read through it over and over until it becomes natural coming out of her mouth. So, ladies and gentlemen, Sabi nyo kahapon, you want to improve communication skills, you'll need to do 4 things regularly every day. Read, speak, listen, write. Read, speak, listen, write. Over and over and over. It will not happen overnight. It's my first time to read through these notes. Pero so far naman, excellent, di ba? Pumapasa. First time. Why? Because I'm used to reading. I'm used to reading. So, and I'm used to reading aloud. Wala na, hindi na pwede na, ay gusto kong gumaling sa communication skills ko, sas lagi ka nagbabasa mata lang. Hindi mahahasa yung dila mo. Guys, good news. Do you know that your tongue have a memory? So if you are able to program it, it can draw it out, the words, the accent. Why do you think I can speak like an Indian? Because I have trained it in an accent. So you see, it has memory. Pwede mong i-train, di ba? Kung gusto mo magbisaya ba, pwede mong i-train yung dila mo magbisaya ba? Para akala mo nila, di ba? Diyan ka naka-local. See? Why? Because your tongue has memory. So if you train it to speak with a neutral accent, hindi ka maarte. Mas maiintindihan ka ng kausap mo. So now, we will not practice accent neutralization. This is practice reading with your own script already in preparation for your interview. Do you like this? Or boring, no? Wag na lang. Mag-graphic
Love
design
it.
na lang tayo, Dai. O, sige, okay. So, I will give you, this is a working break now. So, 9:30 to 9:45, it should be your break. I expect feedbacks by 10 o'clock. How did you do your exercise? I want to have open cam because I would like to see your mouth, but also open cam will make you conscious looking at your camera while reading. So the best practice is kung saan yung camera nyo, copy-paste the document. Okay, I'm sharing it to you now with my GCash account. Sabi mo, hindi pangangailangan ni Miss Pat. Okay, joke lang yon. Okay, ayan. Okay, and I'm also sending to our GC so that I can paste it, pin it. Kung wala pa kayong 10 interview questions, maybe you can use this for now, pero syempre sayang, nagpa-practice na kayo. So madaliin nyo na lang. And then I'll see you at 10 if that's okay. And my expectation is you already have an experience and good report. Now, if you're done with the 10 questions, please don't stop. Go through it over and over again. Alam nyo ba, yung mga lead team ko sa Australia, we would have them read scripts for 7 days, 8 hours a day. That's how they will master it. So that the words will come out naturally. So, pag natapos ka na 1 to 2 rounds of the chronological and may oras pa, nakapag-break ka na, nakapagkape ka na, then you ask it. Now, don't ask me chronologically. I would like to practice how fast I can go to my notes when the questions are random. Nakuha? Okay. So go ahead. Enjoy your practice. Enjoy your working break. And I'll see you at 10. Okay, sige, mabilis lang to. How can I program ChatGPT to be a career and business consultant? You can go to your ChatGPT. Okay, sana hindi pa nag-break yung iba. Although naka-record naman to. Go to ChatGPT and okay, do you see my screen? Hindi pa naka-share. Sorry po. Okay, here. So Anthony, this is your question as well. And Talia. So you go to your ellipsis and it will give you more, and you can check the GPTs. Okay? You go to GPT and then you add your own.
Ma'am, wala pong ganun sa
Baka wala sa Plus. Try nyo sa Go. Alam ko may GPT sa Go. Pag walang ganito, you can use projects. Projects can still work the same. Okay? Kay Claude, ay, nag-bleed tayo kay Claude. Sige lang. Okay? Hindi ko masyadong tinatawid-tawid kasi baka yung iba sa inyo na information overload na kayo. But it's just a little information. So beyond the chat, you have the projects, you have the artifacts. So you can program it as well. Okay? And then the project. So either or, it has memory. Okay? And with that, tuloy-tuloy ka na with the right context. Ipro-program mo lang siya. So pag wala, ikaw Anthony, meron ka? Try nyo yung Go. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, 299, dalawang milk tea, 300, wala ka mo ng ramen. O, di ba? So ganun lang yun. Isang buwan na yun, no? Eh kung yun naman makakapagpabili sa'yo ng ramen sa mga susunod na buwan, pupuhunanan natin to, okay? So, but with free, you can maximize it. I think free has project. Tama ba? Ayan. Okay, good. Did I answer your question? Yeah, that's the chat.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah, you can use Gemini as well. Thank you for the suggestion. So lagi ang sikreto dyan sa AIs nyo, go beyond the chats. Program your projects, program your artifacts, program your GPTs. Bigyan nyo sila ng OS so that you can work with them as a thinking and consultant, not just chat support. Okay?